After several months of pursuing a lady and she finally agreed to see you, and then that is when your John Thomas decided to fail you. Hi! What a life. What an embarrassment. In this video today, I'm going to be telling you 9 ways you can cure your weak erection. If you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Occasionally, having weak erection is not really a problem, but it becomes a problem when it happens more often, and then you are unable to even have a normal erection enough to have intercourse. This is when there is a problem. Weak erection is when you're unable to maintain your erection long enough to have intercourse. This is usually common between the age of 40 to 70. Because of weak erection could be that there is reduced blood flow to your PP, high cholesterol level, and even stress. Yes, stress is one of those things that can cause you to have a weak erection. In this video, I'm going to be telling you simple ways in which you can cure your weak erection. The first step in treating your weak erection is to identify what is the cause of your weak erection. You need to know what is causing your weak erection. By doing so, you are able to get the best help that you need to cure your weak erection. Number one thing you need to do to cure your weak erection is to do cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular means your heart. So you have to do heart-friendly exercise. If you are long enough on this channel, you will know that I have made so many videos, and in those videos I have said the importance of frequent blood flow to your PP. When there is no frequent blood flow to your PP, it is almost impossible for you to achieve an erection. Maintaining a healthy heart means you need to exercise your body, exercise that are good for your heart, like swimming, walking, cycling. And the good thing is that all this exercise does not even require you to go to the gym or for you to do all this tedious exercise. A simple exercise like walking can actually help you to maintain your heart. The second thing you need to do is to avoid smoking. Yes. If you have weak erection, smoking should be the last thing you should even think of, because when you smoke, it can actually affect how blood flows into your PP. That is why you need to quit smoking. There are so many programs out there that can help you to quit if you are finding it difficult too. And when you avoid smoking, of course there will be proper flow of blood to your genitals. Like I said, if there is no flow of blood to your PP, then it will be difficult for you to achieve an erection. The third thing you can do is to do Kegel exercise. Yes, this one will actually help you to exercise your pelvic muscles, and you know that these pelvic muscles actually help to support your erection. They actually partake in your erection, in your ejaculation, and your orgasm. That is why this Kegel exercise is important. And how do you do a Kegel exercise? Kegel exercise is simply when you're trying to hold on to your urine, release it. As you want to pee, you are holding it. Stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. So when you do Kegel exercise, you will feel this slight, constriction in your scrotum and your anus area, in your genitals, basically, if it is done by either male or female. Just a little bit, not so hard. This will actually help you to maintain and control your erection. The fourth thing that you need to do is to eat vegetables and fruits. This is very important because you cannot just wake up and be eating whatever you like. You need to eat food that are penis friendly. If you go through this page, you will see so many videos that talk about penis friendly food. I'm going to link some of the videos in the description box so you can watch it after this video. So it is important that you eat fruits and vegetables. Aside from the fact that fruits and vegetables, provide us with vitamins, they also help you to improve blood flow to your genitals. Yes, I'm sure you've heard about something called nitric oxide and lots more. These are the things that help your blood vessels to relax and make blood flow easily to your genitals, to your PP. But if you don't eat all these fruits, how can you get all these advantages? So you should make sure to eat fruits and vegetables like watermelon, avocado, grapes, pomegranate, and lots more like that. This is why you should eat foods like lean protein and unsaturated fats. This can actually help you to maintain your cholesterol level, because when blood flow to your genitals is compromised, what to do? The fifth thing for you to do is to regulate your cholesterol level. This is very important because there's something known as atherosclerosis. This condition is basically when the blood vessels is thick and it is narrowed, and because of this there is no easy flow of blood. It is difficult for blood to flow in it to your PP. And remember what I said, it is almost impossible for you to have an erection when there is no blood supply to your PP. So this is why it is important for you to regulate your cholesterol level. The sixth thing you can do is to regulate your stress and control your anxiety. I need extra microphone to talk about this one, because some men, they are already anxious. Even before the activity, they are anxious of, oh, am I going to perform well? Is she going to like it? You don't have to worry about all of this. Just concentrate on what you are doing at that point in time. Because let me tell you something, when you are under stress or you are anxious, your body, your nervous system is in a state called fight or flight mode. This fight or flight mode is basically when your body thinks that, oh, something bad is about to happen. Trust me, erection is the last thing your body will care about. So you might not even be able to maintain your erection at this point. And that is why you keep wondering, oh, why is it not coming up? Why is it not this? It is because you are anxious. It is because you are under stress. I know everyone is under stress, but there are ways you can manage your stress. The next thing you can do, which is the seventh point, I think, is to communicate. Yes, communication is highly important. Imagine you have, like PE, and your partner is not even aware of it, and they are just wondering, oh, why is it difficult for you to do this, to do that? If you had communicated with your partner, it would be very easier for you people to have a discussion and talk about how you can go about it, and even you both can visit your health provider together, because at this point that is the best thing that can work for you if you don't know the cause of your weak erection. Avoid porn and masturbation. Yes, avoid porn and masturbation. In the society, most people does not even support this. It becomes a problem when you tend to emulate what you're seeing, what you're watching, you're trying to do the same. Of course, it is impossible. You don't even know the editing or anything they've done. Watching porn or masturbation is not good. It can affect your sexual health negatively. Even though a lot of people believe that when you masturbate, you're getting to know your body. However, it can affect you negatively. I read a research one time like that, and then in that research, they mentioned where, young children or young men, they tend to masturbate secretly. And then when someone is coming, they try to do it faster so they could ejaculate quickly. And because of that, they grow up, developing premature ejaculation, because their mind, their brain is used to them, ejaculating quickly. So because of that, they tend to develop premature ejaculation. So you see, masturbation and porn has negative impact on your health. Another thing you can do is to engage in proper foreplay. You cannot just stand up and just go straight into the activity without, any preparation or something. You need to engage in proper foreplay. And this is why you need to get your body ready. You need to get your body prepared, and not just, just go into the activity because you have already had some alcohol or herbs or all of that. No. Make sure your eyes are clear, and then you engage in proper foreplay, and not like you are doing wuru to the answer. And the last point is that you should speak to your therapist, to your sex therapist, or your GP or your doctor. These are the people that can help you. I am just giving a general advice. So it is important that you speak with your sexologist, you speak with your GP, you speak with your doctor. They'll be able to help you and draft out a plan that can work for you. So you can try all these tips that I have mentioned. Thank you. And please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And please share this video to as many people as you can. This is the best way you can support my channel. And as well, if you have any question or any video that you want me to make, any question at all, please leave it in the comment section. I will gladly provide you the information that you need. And I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.